So like the quotation says, the greatest gift you can ever give somebody is your time, your energy, your love, and your concern. Now, another very similar way of saying that is the greatest gift you can give your family or your children or your partner or other people in general is to be present with them, to actually pay attention, to be focused there on them and with them, instead of distracted, for example, on your phone or multitasking, doing other things, but not really listening, not really looking at them in the eye, not really paying attention to them, not really being interested, not really being focused, and therefore not really being able to properly fully love or show your concern properly, because you're not even demonstrating your concern but not even paying attention to them in the first place as well. So this isn't about a criticism, this is just a little tip to don't be on your technology, your phone too much, or any other addiction or thing that you're doing. It could be a drug, it could be something you just picked up along the way that you use to cope or escape with, or else simply just to be distracted with, which is fine. We all do that, and I'm not judging anybody who does that, parent or no, or if you're just no children, it doesn't matter. But just look at it yourself and see how you can see if or when or how you want to change this or improve this in your life, little by little, or even possibly a little bit faster, depending on the person or the thing. And enjoy the change, and you choose. You're the one who has to choose to get off whatever you're doing. If anything that holds you back or holds you down from you, your life, your relationship with life, yourself or your loved ones or your family or children or partner, it has to be you who chooses. So think about the positives and the negatives, and choose. You choose who you want to be, okay? That's all I want to say. So I hope this video helps. Lots of love. Hope this helps. It's just something I'm learning too. So we're all in it together, in it to win it. I'll talk to you soon. Lots of love. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.